Good morning, Wisdom Tree.
Good morning, Rahul. It is a surprise to see you on a Sunday morning. Usually you do not come on Sundays. What happened?
As I had participated in the inter-school sports competition, I was unable to attend my maths class. There is a slip test on Monday and I have to prepare for it.
What is the syllabus for the test?
Proper fractions, improper fractions, unit fractions and mixed fractions.
Okay, then let us see how the princess learnt all these concepts. Today we shall learn about proper fractions, improper fractions, unit fractions and mixed fractions. One day, while Bhim and Sahadev were strolling around in the nearby forest, they stumbled upon 2 watermelons. Bhim took out his knife and cut each watermelon into 3 equal parts. They started eating and Bhim finished his watermelon very fast. Sahadeva, who had finished 2 pieces, was unable to finish the 3rd piece as his stomach was full. He looked at Bhim to offer the 3rd piece and he noticed that Bhim was eagerly looking at Sahadev's uneaten watermelon. So Sahadev offered his 3rd piece of watermelon to Bhim, which Bhim ate happily.
Bhim, tell me, what fraction of watermelon did I eat?
2, mighty.
What?
2, mighty.
Tell me, what fraction of watermelon did you eat?
Bhim stopped eating and started thinking.
I don't know. Come, let's ask Guruji.
After Bhim finished eating, they both went to Guruji. After listening to Nakul, Guruji asked all his students to gather around and started teaching.
Now look at these fractions. 3 by 4, 4 by 10, 5 by 8, 3 by 5, 7 by 5. Can you find the odd one among the given factors?
Yes, 7 by 5 is odd one among the given factors.
How?
In the fractions 3 by 4, 4 by 10, 5 by 8 and 3 by 5, the numerators of all these fractions is less than the denominator. But in 7 by 5, numerator is greater than the denominator.
Very good. The fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Some examples of proper fractions are 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 11 by 15 and 15 by 23. Now children, looking at the figures, can you say what fraction it represents? The first figure is shaded full and so it represents a whole. And what about the second one?
The figure is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts out of 4 parts is shaded. So the fraction is 3 by 4.
Good. Now let us divide the first figure also into 4 equal parts. And so we see that fraction of shaded part is 4 by 4. Now let us find the sum of shaded parts in both the figures.
As 4 by 4 and 3 by 4 are like fractions, we add the numerators and place the sum over the same denominator. So here, adding 3 and 4, we get 7 and the sum of shaded parts is 7 by 4.
Very good. So, the figure represents the fraction 7 by 4. Now children, looking at the figures, let us say what fraction it represents.
Here the first figure is shaded full, so it is one whole. And the second figure is divided into 3 parts and 2 parts out of 3 parts is shaded, so the fraction is 2 by 3.
Very good. Similar to the earlier problem, divide the first figure into 3 equal parts.
So the first figure represents 3 by 3.
Good. Now, find the sum of shaded parts in both the figures.
3 by 3 and 2 by 3 are like fractions. So, to add the like fractions, we have to add their numerators. Hence, the sum of 3 by 3 and 2 by 3 is 5 by 3.
Good. So the figure represents the fraction 5 by 3. In both the above examples, do you find any similarity? That is, in 7 by 4 and 5 by 3.
In both the fractions, numerator is greater than the denominator.
Good. Look at these fractions: 7 by 4, 4 by 3, 8 by 5 and 9 by 5. Check whether the numerators are greater than denominator or not.
Yes, in all the fractions, numerators are greater than the denominators.
Such fractions are called improper fractions. Fractions that have the numerators greater than the denominators are called improper fractions. Some examples are 8 by 7, 4 by 3, 17 by 13 and 16 by 7 and so on. A proper fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. Some examples of unit fraction are 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 7. In the given fractions, let us find out the proper and improper fractions. The given fractions are 2 by 5, 7 by 4, 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 21 by 19. In 2 by 5, the numerator 2 is less than denominator 5, so it's a proper fraction. In 7 by 4, numerator 7 is greater than denominator 4, so it is an improper fraction. In 3 by 4, the numerator 3 is less than denominator 4, so it is a proper fraction. In 6 by 7, the numerator 6 is less than denominator 7, so it is a proper fraction. In 21 by 19, numerator 21 is greater than 19, so it is an improper fraction. Consider the given three figures. Find the shaded fractional part in the first figure.
The whole part is shaded, so it is 1.
Consider the two whole figures. The shaded part is 2. Look at this figure. What is the fraction of the shaded part?
It is 1 by 4.
Good. Now consider the two whole parts and 1 by 4 part. All these together we can write as 2 1 by 4. This way of writing fraction as whole number part and proper fraction together is known as mixed number or mixed fractions. An improper fraction can also be written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction called as mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Some examples are 1 1 by 3, 2 2 by 5, 3 2 by 3. In 1 1 by 3, 1 is a whole number and 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. And in 2 2 by 5, 2 is a whole number and 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. Similarly, 3 2 by 3, 3 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. What fraction does the figure represent?
The first figure is shaded fully. It therefore represents one whole.
Good.
The second figure is divided into 6 equal parts and 5 parts out of 6 parts is shaded. So the fraction is 5 by 6.
So, what is the fraction both figures together represent?
One whole and 5 by 6 together, which gives 1 5 by 6.
In this lesson, the princess learned proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction and mixed fraction. Rahul, hope you two understood all the above concepts.
Thank you, Wisdom Tree. I shall go home and practice for the test.
All the best. You should score the highest mark. Goodbye.
I will try my best. Goodbye.